Palantir made a new 52-week high of $20 a share today, July 31. And in this video, we will analyze the unusual options activity that happened today that suggests Palantir could make it to $25 a share. So without further ado, let's get right to it. When we take a look at the options tape, the time in sales, you can see that the largest quantities here is 7,475 for the August 18, 16 strike puts, and the 17 strike puts here, 5,980. Okay. So this was happening 306. However, we don't think this is very significant. What we think is more meaningful that happened today is something else. You can see over here at the bottom here, 25 strike calls, 1,237, right? Also this 32 strike call here, same time here. It may look like it's much less in comparison to this. However, when we take a look deeper at the September 15th, that's 46 days away, you can see here that the volume at the 25 strike calls is 17,437, much greater than the 7,000. And also at the 32 strike calls, we have 10,081. So this is very much more meaningful. All right, so what does this mean? There's a lot of buying at the 25 strike calls here. Some of them are also selling the 32 strike call to reduce the cost basis. So this is a vertical call spread strategy. Okay, so when you take a look at this trade, you can see here Palantir at $20. As it goes up in price, this trade becomes profitable. Okay, it's above that zero line, that's profit. You can see here positive 16 delta, so it's bullish. Okay, some of the options did not sell the 32 strike call. Okay, and they just bought the 25 strike call here. And when you take a look at that, it's also bullish. It is more risky because it costs more at $95 per option contract. It also has a higher theta decay, negative 2.32. So this option will decay as time goes on until the expiration date, September 15th. When you look at the vertical call spread, the theta is less. It's only negative 0.85. So that's the advantage of selling also a call spread or a call option in conjunction to buying one. And also it lowers the cost of the option trade, $60. Okay. However, the disadvantage is that you do limit your profit potential, okay, by selling it. You can see here that the profit potential here, all the way over here at the blue line over here, you can see it over here. It will show up here as the mouse cursor's over it, is 640. right? And when we take a look at the call option here, the profit potential is unlimited, you could see. And so that is the disadvantage for selling a call option in conjunction to buying one, okay? Even though it's less risk, there's always, it's always, if you take on less risk, you also have less profit potential. If you take on more risk, you have a higher profit potential. So it's always a trade-off in options trading. Okay. And when we take a look at the value of this trade, so let's say each of them were about $95. There's 17,000 of them. We can estimate that. 17,000, each one about $95, $1.6 million here at the strike price today. Okay. So it's the value is not as significant compared to other trades that we analyze, but it is represents some sentiment, but not considerably large compared to the millions and millions of dollars on unusual options that we analyze on other stocks other than Palantir. And those stocks are usually more accurate in predicting stock price because those are done by more wealthy and larger institutional investors with upwards of 50 to 100 million, sometimes 200-300 million per trade. And so those predictions are more accurate. And if you're interested in those, make sure to sign up for our membership where we share exclusive videos on those stocks whenever we detect those unusual options for our members. And that helps diversify your portfolio with better stocks to increase your profitability. In today's stock market environment, stock picking is very, very important to pick the best stocks to outperform the market. Even if the market is going up, you want to pick the right ones that go up higher than the rest. Okay, so if you're interested, go to our channel homepage, click the join button, and you can learn more on how to join our membership to get access to exclusive videos on stocks that have unusual options activity. Take care, everybody, and smash that like button. Thank you very much.